At least 7 million motorcycles ply the streets in the Philippines. In Metro Manila alone, motorcycles figured in over 31,000 road incidents in 2019.
May isa po kaming teacher. He passed away po dahil po na-aksidente siya. He was riding a motorcycle. Sa Caloocan po kasi, dito bandang Novaliches, madaming mga motorcycles. This motivated us to create a study. Ako si Thea Lumabi.
Ako si Adonairam D. Balagtas.
At ako si Chloe Heather B. Aliano. Kami ang Team Abante.
During their senior year at Caloocan National Science and Technology High School, they invented Abante, an engine control and a helmet programmed to have driver protection features. The engine control is installed in a motorcycle, while the helmet, equipped with sensors, serves as a remote.
So the sense niya po, if the rider is wearing the helmet, hindi po mag-open yung mismong motorcycle if hindi talaga suot yung mismong helmet.
Other features include a fingerprint sensor, an alcohol sensor, and a collision sensor. When the sensors detect alcohol or an impact, the system will send an automated text message to the rider's emergency contact.
Yung big problem po sa amin bago po kami nag-start is hindi po kami maalam dun sa mismong language, sa C++ and Arduino, everything. Ang tanging alam lang po namin is paano mag-YouTube, paano manood ng mga videos, kung paano namin magagawa yung project na yun.
Their advisor and friends from their robotics club were of big help.
When we bought the parts po, hindi po namin maiwasan na makasira. Sobrang bigat po sa bulsa namin. Also rin po sa mga kasama po naming robotics that they lend us tools and materials na kailangan din po namin.
Their project won one of the top awards in the Department of Education's 2020 National Science and Technology Fair and was one of the Philippines' entries to the 2020 International Science and Engineering Fair. They have applied for a patent as they envision their device to be used by motorcycle manufacturers and the government to promote road safety. Beyond creating a unique and useful device, these young scientists realize the value of respect and cooperation.
If we continue to boost ourselves, hindi lang isa yung magbe-benefit but all of the people.
Sa society po kasi natin ngayon, ang goal po kasi natin is ano yung makukuha kung individually, which is dapat ang goal po natin is ano yung makukuha ng mismong society natin.